Okay, so I've been mining Ethereum for the past month, even a little more than the past month. And today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you my Ethereum profits while mining on the Ether mine pool at 472 mega hash per second during the month of October. Stay tuned. Okay, so during the month of October, I have been mining Ethereum, and here on my screen, I am going to show you exactly what I have been making. So I am mining at an average of 472 mega hash per second after I had upgraded my mining rig. And in October, I was mining throughout the month at 472 mega hash per second. If I go to payouts here, you can see in October the amounts I was paid out. Now my settings for this have been set to 0.1 ETH. So when I hit that threshold, I am going to be paid out. However, obviously I also need to get the gas fees as well. And here if I go to settings and I go to payment method, I can show you that my limits are set at 60 for the gas price and 0.1 Ether. Now, obviously, if I hit the 0.1 Ether and I don't hit the gas price limit of 60, so for example, at the moment, it is at 140, the network fee for the gas fee. Until I hit the 60, I'm going to have a pending payout at the top here, and it will keep on mining and accumulating the 0.1 Ethereum until I actually hit the gas fee that I have specified, because I am not willing to pay high gas fees. So I thought that a 60 gas fee would be quite good and an average gas fee that I would get paid out in. So once the gas fee is hit, the gas fee that I want is hit, I will then get paid out. Obviously, if I see it dragging out forever, then I would probably just increase my gas fee. And so far, I've always been paid out when the gas fee was 60. So here you can see the last three payouts I have, and I've also accumulated a bit more here at the top as well. So here you can see that I've accumulated another 300 euros during the month of October. Today is the 1st of November, and I had accumulated this pretty much during the last 10 or 11 days. I'm getting paid out every 11 or 12 days on average. If I go to payouts here, you can see down here the last times I was paid out. There's a gap between June and October because in June and July, I was pretty much mining Shiba coin, and then I switched over to Solana coin and Ergo coin, and then I returned back to Ethereum around the 22nd of September, and I got my first payout on the 1st of October. So I'm going to take these into consideration. So pretty much my profits made were here, and you can see those right there for the month of October. So if we just add these up really quickly, I have 393, I'm going to leave the cents out, 373 plus 380. So in the month of October, and if I were to also calculate the ones that I have accumulated here as well, because those are for the last week of October as well, pretty much. So I'm just going to put that 300. In October, I have mined 1,446 euros. Now that's not net profit, obviously. I do have to deduct the electricity costs as well. And I was stating earlier that I was getting paid out in 60 for the gas fee, and that is equivalent to around 3 or 4 euros. Now, 1,446 euros, I am using 5 euros and 50 cents of electricity per day. If I times that by 31, that would give me 170 euros of electricity usage in the entire month. So obviously I'd need to deduct the 170 from the 1,446. So 1,446 minus the 170, and that will roughly give me 1,270 euros. So that is very good for the month of October. 1,270 euros of pure profit mining Ethereum. So guys, I just wanted to make this quick video to give you an update on my profits. I hope that you found it useful. Please let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so down below and smash that like button. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified when new videos do come out on my channel. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.